Hi everyone, I am Dror Shapiro and I'm very glad to be here. I'm also a little bit nervous, but I guess I'm not as nervous as a small business owner trying to get to the bank and applying for a business loan, knowing that there is a 70% chance of his application being rejected. I'm going to share with you our vision for those businesses. Factoring, or invoice financing, as some of you may know it, is a 700 years old business that hasn't changed much. The process is quite simple. Businesses repaying deferred payments with cash immediately for a price. It is a huge market. In 2017, the global market was $2.9 trillion. That's trillion with a T. It is an evergreen market, growing 10% year over year, and it is estimated to reach $4.6 trillion by 2020. So far, sounds good, right? Well, not really. SMEs, the driving force of every economy, the small and medium businesses that are at the bottom of the deferred payment food chain are not in the game. They are often looked at with an excessive risk factor stemming from fraud, manual processes, and old school approaches that most banks demonstrate. They are usually not credit-worthy for the banks, and so being rejected. And if they do get the credit, the interest rates are a killer, up to 50% annually, and that takes most of their profits away. This is where we get into the picture. We're INVioU, a fintech blockchain platform. We bring disruptive innovation to the invoice financing market. We're enabling the creation of fraud-free marketplaces as well as immutable and reporting and trading applications. We eliminate fraud and the labor-intensive processes, and thus consequently minimizing the operational and risks and credit risks. So why INVioU platform? We allow 4 things. Our tokenized records eliminate fraud completely. We enable the ecosystem to increase its earning by minimizing operational and credit risk. We allow open access to many lenders, so we are an open garden approach. And we enable the transparent and secured credit risk assessment with the elimination of fake, false, and inflated invoices. With INVioU, all the participants of the ecosystem get what they need and more. The borrowers get access to optimized credit. The lenders get access to a fraud-free SME segment, which is untapped at the moment. And the payers, they earn incentives and a very valuable asset to every enterprise, vendor stability. This is how we pave the way to a $1.5 trillion SME untapped segment. We already integrate with leading invoice manufacturing businesses, Zoho, QuickBooks, Xero, and many others, directly or via APIs. We founded INVioU in 2017, and we're focused on creating the platform. 2 months ago, we launched the platform, and we intend to launch the first secure marketplace by the first half of 2019. We have a great team of technological and finance experts, and we're expanding it. We're also closely accompanied by a very professional and active advisory board, which includes a former financial regulator, the blockchain professor, and top-notch business and data experts. We are in the process of raising from VCs and accredited investors, and for more details, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. We're going to take some questions from the judges. Sure. Okay, so Daniel, first question goes to you.
I'm not sure I understood the utility of your token, so could you maybe just quickly explain that a bit again? Why does somebody want to hold your token?
Okay, we're not launching a utility token sale.
Okay.
So the system is on equity based at the moment, and I believe that in 2017 we'll utilize this STO in order to increase. Okay. Yes.
Hi, I'm Linda. Can I just ask, I was very interested in the partnership slide, if we can go back to that one, of the fact that you already have, some partners established. Can I ask?
It's not partners, it's they're providers.
Providers, yes.
So we can connect with an API. For deeper partnership, it's a longer process that we will go through, but we're already integrated in Zoho. And we're doing not the intensive integration, but smaller integration at the moment with the other partners.
Okay, that was basically my question. So are they basically a use case for you to show the VCs at the moment and the other investors?
The system now works, the platform works very simply via integration via APIs. Yeah. So this is only part of the system, because this is the part that pushes the invoices into the blockchain, and then the marketplace that is not built yet will be by the first half of 2019 is going to be on top of that platform.
Brilliant,
and this will involve the lenders.
And the last question? No more. Any questions from the audience? Yes, Alex.
Hey, thanks. Interesting platform. I'm curious as to who your lenders are intended to be in a platform like this. Is it going to be existing? People who are already deploying capital into SMEs that you're hoping to get more deep? Is there an opportunity to bring new lenders into this platform based on that?
Yeah, basically we enable as an open garden. We enable all lenders participate on top of the platform.
Sure, but
which now they don't share the data between them, so fraud can take place. So we eliminate fraud by enabling everyone, all the banks, financial factors, all sorts. We're not the credit providers.
Right, I guess, and a lot of these projects or a lot of these financial lending projects allow kind of crowdsource lending or new types of capital to flow into.
It can take form of a P2P marketplaces as well, but it can be also white label between banks and other credit providers. So just utilizing the platform for the benefit.
Any other questions from the audience? Take one more. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, George Shapira from INVioU.